Hey there, productivity warriors. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to use Google's NotebookLM, a really cool AI tool that helps you understand documents better. Don't worry if you're completely new to this. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Now let's get started. Step 1. Accessing NotebookLM. First things first, let's get you into NotebookLM. Open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. You will arrive at an overview page. You can go through the page to get yourself introduced to its attractive features and all it can do. Now let's go ahead. Tap on the Try NotebookLM option. If you are not signed in, sign in with your Google account. You will arrive at the welcome screen. You'll see a clean, simple interface. Don't worry, it's designed to be super user-friendly. At the bottom, you will see an option Create. Here, our step 2 begins. Now, let's create your very first notebook. After you have selected Create New, you will see an Add Source prompt. Here you need to add your source. NotebookLM uses AI algorithms to generate responses based on the source that you will share. Share an authentic source rich with information to get the best possible responses. You can share any source like research notes, marketing plans, course materials, meeting transcripts, etc. You can share your source in various formats as well. You can share e-link of websites or YouTube, Google Docs, Google Slides, and even copy and paste your content in the specified box. You can browse your system to find the file you want to share or use drag and drop features to share your document. You can share up to 50 sources. Close the prompt. We will add the source in the next step. Now, give your notebook a name. Anything you like. This is quite similar to giving your Google Docs a name. You'll see 2 main sections. Left side, where you'll add your documents. Right side, where you'll chat with the AI about your documents. Pro tip, start with just one document to keep things simple. You can always add more later. Step 3. Adding documents. Here's how to add your first source. Click plus on the left. As explained earlier, you can share files in different formats. I will demonstrate using our website URL, https://store.outrightcrm.com. Currently, the maximum file size is 500,000 words. You can add up to 50 sources as indicated in the prompt. After adding your source, it will appear in your source panel. Safety note: only upload documents you're comfortable sharing with AI and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. However, Google does promise to keep your documents private. They will not be visible to other users or used for training AI models. Step 4. Asking questions. This is where the magic happens. Type your question in the chat box on the right. Start simple. Ask, what is this document about? You can also use suggested questions that will appear on the right side of the screen. On the left, you can see the summary of the source. NotebookLM will respond based on your document. You can ask follow-up questions for clarification. Cool feature. The AI will highlight relevant parts of your document as well as it answers. Step 5. Creating notes. You can create useful notes to understand the topic in detail. Observe various options under Help Me Create. Click on any option, for example, Briefing Document. A new window will open where you can see the tool generating a response. If you want, you can select the Add Note option to add manual notes as well. Now, select Notebook Guide and you will be back at the previous screen. Select FAQs on the top. The tool will create a new note containing important questions and answers for your study. Now, select a note. Choose between various options below to understand your note better. You can select Help Me Understand to get an easy explanation for your note. Select the Critique option to find text that might need corrections. It will not only highlight words or text, but also offer suggestions which you can use. There is a Create Outline option to help you create an outline for the selected note. You can use Suggest Related Ideas to find ideas from your sources that directly relate to your selected note. Now, click on Close Chat. You will move back to the screen where you can see all your notes. Select the option Select All. Similar options will appear down below that will allow you to customize all your notes. You can create a study guide, summary, outline, and even combine your notes to a single note. Pro tip: As it is true with any AI tools, errors are quite possible. So, double-check all information before trusting them. Once you're comfortable with the tool, try this feature. Do you like podcasts? Well, NotebookLM gives you a cool feature to create an audio conversation based on your document. The feature is called Audio Overview. Click on Notebook Guide and find it on the top right on the homepage. This feature basically creates an audio conversation between two AI hosts who discuss your document, find insights and connections, and converse back and forth. To create an audio overview, you can select the Generate option. There is no need to stick around, as the tool might take some time to create the conversation. You can get back to exploring your tool. Once the audio has been generated, you can like or dislike using the options above and click on 3 dots to change playback speed, download the audio, or delete it. Pro tip: as you can see, there is a Customize option right beside Generate. It lets you customize the audio and make the AI host focus on specific aspects of your document. Always verify AI responses against your document. The tool is quite accurate, but still prone to errors. Take your time exploring features. You can edit or delete notebooks anytime. You can also share with your peers, just like any Google Docs or spreadsheets, to collaborate in real time. The more you practice, the easier it gets. There you have it. You're now ready to start using NotebookLM. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Want more AI tool tutorials? Check out our playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.